And so to our Koinonia UK family, please go ahead and take the glad tidings all across Europe. This is what the Lord is doing. We're using First Direct Arena. It's a beautiful arena, and we trust God to have awesome sessions in his presence in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Are we ready for registration for UK? Is the link there? Okay, so fine. So for all of you in UK and around Europe, that's your link. Please go ahead and register. Do you know, we're trusting God for grace. I'm told that they've almost exhausted the links even for US, and we're still wondering how we're going to walk around it, because this is just February. Within 48 hours, it was almost we're